Using the high pressure hose, spray the water hard all around the car. After a second, a soap will automatically spray out to the car. After a second again, press rinse. If it is suddenly out of water, just press rinse again. Third procedure is press finition. It is to release more water and to finish and finalize the washing. If you wanted to stop, just press stop. To remove the excess water, I used the rubber. To dry, I used a kitchen roll, or we can use an absorbent cotton cloth.
Guys, kung tayo ay naliligo, ay paliguan din natin ang ating sasakyan para ito ay malinis at fresh na sakayan. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and touch the button. Bye!